Traditionally, humankind has always been afraid of what they do not understand. Yeah, sometimes people throw out revolutionary ideas because people either do not understand it or are not willing to understand it. But bí òwe Yorùbá ṣe sọ, tí alágbára kọ́ ni ò ń bẹ̀rù, but tí alágbára, wọ́n ní tí alágbára bá ti kọ́ńkà ẹ̀rù, ẹ̀rù gá máa bá ẹ̀rù.
Ọ̀pá mi.
So àsìkò ti tó fún ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ká dẹ́rù bà ẹ̀rù. About 6 months ago, we met right here in Oyo State and decided to set up a regional collaborative security agency. And I am happy to stand before you this afternoon to say that we have followed through. With our sister states, Ekiti, Lagos, Ogun, Ondo, and Osun, we're here in Oyo State launching Amotekun, the Western Nigeria Security Network. As governors of these states, it is our priority to ensure that both indigenes and settlers living within the boundaries of our various states can carry out their legitimate activities in a secure environment. The security of their lives and properties should be of paramount importance. When we discuss the development potentials of our state and talk about investment opportunities and growing our internally generated revenue by exploring areas of comparative advantage, we remain keenly aware that we cannot achieve anything in a state of insecurity. And so, we are here. To those who are afraid, I say, when we assumed office, we all took the oath of office and promised to be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, to follow the dictates of the Constitution and protect the sovereignty of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. For me and my colleagues, we have not forgotten our oath. Our regional integration, our coming together, should be seen in one light and one light alone. That we are coming together to fight a common enemy. That enemy is not Nigeria. The enemies are the elements among us and their affiliates who are determined to cause commotion within the borders of our state and threaten our peaceful coexistence. As this launch proceeds today, we will find that this architecture we have put together is in harmony with the Constitution that we swore to protect. We will also learn that everything we have outlined to do with Amotekun is in line with the existing security architecture in Nigeria. All we are doing is creating an appendage of local vigilantes that will feed the current state apparatus. Personally, I am excited to be part of this history. I believe that we are starting today, what we are starting today, this collaboration will make way for further regional integration, growth, and development, and will ultimately improve the lives of the citizenry. I cannot end this speech without mentioning that with this launch, Oyo State has added another feather to its cap. Today will go down in history as the day that the first regional security outfit in Nigeria was launched and hosted by the state of the first. Once again, I welcome you all and I thank you for listening. God bless you. God bless the federal